It's very important to document any payments that are made on a client's reservation. Here you do that right inside their reservation in Vacation Creations. Come here to the payment info, click the add payment. This couple just booked their trip to Ireland with me for September of 2027. So I'm doing their deposit of $500. The payment type is the deposit. However, you have a choice for the final payment, the full payment if everything was due at once, or making partial payments along the way. The method was their credit card, today's date, and then the last 4 digits of the card is helpful because if you ever have to look back and they ask what card was used, you have all the information right here. Hit save. You can always delete it. If you've made a mistake, you can always click back on it to double check the payment. And then at the end, just remember to hit save and you will see the balance due here as it keeps a running total.